So guys, inayos namin yung video ni...
Yes, kasi yung in-edit ko pa, lang nawala yung video. So yeah, let's make another one.
Yeah, we're gonna make another video.
Down ka boy. Okay, let's go guys.
Rumi is my dream.
Rumi is my dream.
Ito. Mansion to.
Diyan na lang yung para mas mahal.
Dito.
Asan? Kala ko mansion to. Hindi mansion to.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo.
Sabi ko gusto. Bula naman ako sinabi namin. Ano yan?
Thomas.
Hindi ka na.
No. Di nga, wala nga,
Yun.
Hooray. Hell.
Why the hell are you pointing at the number? Sabi nga.
Oh my God. Sinasabi mo. Ano ba, murder?
Yung ano yung parang emo na green. Frick, I missed.
Yung emo. Sinasabi mo. I can't see.
Of course you can see.
Ayan ba?
Hindi.
Yung zombie? Yung babae! Yung babae.
Hindi ka pag-wait. Is trust your gut and wait and be patient. Don't ka!
Bright using
Ghost.
Ghost. Ghost is also my second favorite
At saka yung favorite mo yung X-ray.
Yeah. That's the top.
Ako meron akong haze. It costs 3,000. But I could have get the ghost one. And then X-ray.
Yeah, because it's 600.
3 plus 3.
Meron din kaming graduation daw namin bukas. Graduation namin daw bukas.
Oh, lol!
Oo, sabi niya.
Bilis naman nun ah! Kami,
Sabi
dito ka. Galing ah!
May award daw kami. Uy, paper.
Uy, paldo to!
Uy, sino yan? Si Eliza?
Gusto ko yung red logo. Give me the pretty red logo again. Naka-record ka ba?
Oo. 3 minutes lang eh. Red
Ako
Luger.
din, naka 3 minutes din lang. Did we record at the same time?
You were early and then I was late.
So, parang 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yeah. 3:40 ako nasa pa lang. 3:34. I mean 3:35. 36.
Oh, you're late in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ano ba yun? Sabi ko bomba. Let's see the stream. Okay guys! Dito guys. Kasi pag pumunta kayo dyan, mga bakla kayo. Dito kayo. Ice cream!
Kaya ako ice cream.
Ito.
Baka mo sa akin.
Ito. Yum.
Ay!
Sa akin yan!
Sa akin na yan. Akin na yan. Ay!
Ito, ice cream. Isang, pagkati ito. May ice cream ako.
Ayaw ko na.
Go, please! Come on, man.
I'm hiding.
Where the frick are you? Here?
No.
Yes, you are. Saan ka ba talaga ito?
Alam mo yung basement? Like there, like I was spawned there. And then when you go up, wala talaga ako dyan sa labas. Sino ba murder? Bruce Pose. I think it's the, I don't know.
Oh, holy shit! Holy tit! Don't get me, baby girl, because I still love you, okay? Ah, baby girl. Stupid mo! Ay, nakuha na pala.
Nakuha na oh.
Wala, bola ko dyan. Go, go, go! Get her.
Ay! Nandito siya!
Come, then come here.
I'm going there.
Oh, you're going here or the other side?
No, I got killed.
I'm laughing, yeah!
I was hiding like, oh no. Go. Like behind you. I was hiding there.
Oh, he's using ano?
Yun, din. Where the hell's the gun? Kayo na lang ba? Wait, do you have the gun?
No.
Where the hell's the gun? Sabi mo wala sa'yo yung gun.
Oo nga, wala nga sa akin yun.
It was American gun.
Oo nga, kasi nandito ka. Ay, gagi yung pause yan!
Uy. Ano 6. Uy. 6.
Sana na
6 minutes. Uy.
Please factory, bro. Please factory, bro. Imagine.
Wala, dito kayo.
Yes. Here. Punta ka na dito. Yes, come here.
Here!
What? Sino kaya? Sana factory.
Wala, napili na yung yung office tree earlier. Sana sana office.
Yes!
Hihiha!
Sabi ko na nga
Wait, do we want to 1v1?
Target niya.
Do we want to 1v1?
Yeah. Bawal maglapitan. Throw lang pwede ikaw. Okay? Go.
Wait lang, nagmamatay pa lang ako eh.
Nag-hide lang ako dito. Saan ka ba? Wait lang, ano sino?
I'm going up stairs. So here.
Nandito lang ako.
Go. Oy! Takas ka! Well, do you have the gun?
Yeah. I shouldn't.
Si Xiao Ling!
I shouldn't give up. Wait, I'm gonna try to get some points. Kuya, hindi mo wala.
Go! Wala nang ano.
Oh, wait lang. Oh, I literally did. Wait. Stuck ako. Stuck ako. Wait lang. Let me go outside. Don't kill me, okay? Let me just go outside. Wait lang. Di ba bawal lapitan? Okay, check ko. That was literally on my feet. Ay, lumulapit ka.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, I literally killed him.
Hanapin ko na sa'yo.
Bom. Sayang yun. Malapit na yun. Mayonnaise. Oh, yung lapit mo na!
Napalapit ka sa akin.
Mayonnaise! Oh, ito. Trick na to. Shh.
Ay, books ko!
Uy, yan. What about let's end it ngayon? Ano ba?
Naka 10 minutes lang na tayo.
Oo, okay lang kasi baka mag-complain yung mga viewers natin. Sobrang lang.
Okay, guys!
Guys, bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye!
I stop